television actress Divyanka Tripathi is on the cloud 9 these days. Yes, you heard it correct. ये है मोहब्बतें actress has recently posted a photo of her after getting drunk. Hold on fans, she didn't actually get drunk. She just joked about it. She captioned it as, आजकल पाँव ज़मीन पर नहीं पड़ते मेरे. This is the height of getting drunk. In the photo, Divyanka can be seen sitting on a ceiling fan and giving a cute look. Divyanka has recently won Nach Baliye 8 finale with her husband Vivek Dahiya as partner. So fans, how much you love Divyanka? Comment down as your views, and for more such television gossip and news, subscribe to our channel Gupshup To.